In a bustling old town lived a man named Arav, once known for his simplicity, kindness, and honest hands. But life has a way of tempting even the cleanest hearts. One day, Arav saw a wealthy merchant flaunting his riches, and for the first time, a whisper echoed in his mind. Why shouldn't I have all of that? And that whisper became hunger. Hunger became greed. Greed became obsession. He worked harder, but not wiser. He cheated where he once played fair. He lied where he once spoke truth. Slowly, greed replaced gratitude. And ambition turned into a shadow that darkened everything he touched. But the final blow came when another trader exposed one of Arav's deceitful acts. In that moment, greed melted into rage, burning him from the inside. Revenge became the new fire that fueled him. He plotted, he planned, he schemed, not realizing that revenge is a poison that doesn't kill the enemy first, it kills the one who drinks it. Arav tried to sabotage the trader's business, but the plan backfired. People saw the truth. His reputation, once a proud shield, shattered like glass. His customers lost trust. His friends stepped away. Even his own family struggled to look him in the eyes. The wealth he chased slipped through his fingers. The respect he once owned vanished. And the revenge he crafted became the very trap that closed around him. One evening, he sat on the steps of his empty shop, staring at the falling sun. A realization washed over him like cold rain. It wasn't the world that ruined me. It was my own hunger. My own anger. My downfall was my own creation. He watched children run past laughing, free of greed, unburdened by hatred. And with a deep breath, he whispered to himself, if only I had valued what I already had. If only I had forgiven instead of burning inside. Perhaps my hands would still hold everything I lost. The wind carried away his words, but the truth remained carved in his heart. Greed steals joy. Revenge steals peace. Together, they steal everything. The moral of the story is, greed blinds us to what we already have, and revenge chains us to our own anger. The fire we light for others often ends up consuming us first. True strength lies in contentment and in letting go.